All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, actually out here in Sandusky County. Now check this one out. This is a short little video. I'm gonna share with you what we're doing here. 30 by 36, 10 feet tall. You can see here, 2-car garage built in a suburban neighborhood, but you can see right here, that's gonna be a 16 by 8. For those of you at home there wondering, is this thing might be applicable to me? That kind of gives you an idea there. So, but you can see the guys are knocking this one out right here, but you can see here, 40-year guaranteed Galvalume sidewall metal there. All right, it's 40-year and that's white. And also, why I'm thinking about it here, just kind of give you a lumber update for those of you as I walk around here. I'm gonna give you a lumber update as far as pre-COVID, as far as where are lumber prices right now. Now, pre-COVID, it was about $3.95 a board square foot, and then it went up to the peak about 1,800 board square foot. Then it regressed back to about 700, 800 range. And now we're back actually up to about 1,300. Just bought a truckload of lumber. So that's where you're at as far as lumber prices. So you're probably wondering what is going on as far as metal prices and lumber prices. Obviously inflation a little bit out of control, but back to this building here, just kind of give you a lumber update though. All right, 30 by 36, again, 16 by 8 overhead door opening right there. And you can see right there, 3 by 4 windows. All right, on this 2-car garage setup. Now in this building, as you can see here, we use actually TNG. If you've been following along the journey here, some of the times we use a 2 by 10 baseboard there, but here we use, to get this site up, 2 by 8, again, a number 1 tongue and groove as the baseboard there. And you can see we use actually on this building, not a huge building, 30 by 36, but a 4 by 6 on the sidewall posts are intermediate. And then the strength of your building, you probably know this is nothing earth shattering, but the strength of your building on any post frames in the corner. So what we use on this, we use a 6 by 6 post. All right, and on that one, and you can see right there, truss is 4 foot on center. Now we use a 2 by 8 top beam header, or you call it a girt header top beam. All right, so that's actually species yellow pine. So depending where you live, you got to use a harder species of lumber for that. And you may use a Douglas fir, depending if you live out in the west or whatever, but you need something obviously not punky. You don't want to use obviously SPF as your top beam header there. All right, and gives you an idea here. Now we use the vapor barrier on this. Either we use the vapor barrier or we use a drip stop that comes pre-applied to the metal. But on this building, we use the vapor barrier as well. Okay, now these trusses right here, these 30-foot trusses, again, spaced 4 foot apart. And you probably see there, I don't know if you can see that or not, but 1650 lumber, again, 4 foot apart. And the reason why we do that, we think more wood, more lumber keeps the building from racking. We're not an 8 foot, 9 foot, 10 foot, 11 foot, 12 foot on center company. All right, so kind of gives you an idea there. So fairly simple setup here, but gives you an idea here what you can do as far as if you're looking for a 2-car garage, you want a post frame, pole barn style, easy to get done. So comments always welcome. Till the next one, keep it locked and loaded right here. Attica Lumber since 1925.